Hello and welcome to Rahman Digital Production. In today's lecture, we are going to install Jupyter Notebook, which is written for Python. Jupyter Notebook is an open source web application that allows you to create and share documents that contain live code, equations, visualization, and narrative text. It is widely used in data science, scientific computing, and machine learning for data cleaning and transformation, numerical simulation, statistical modeling, data visualization, machine learning, and much more. The key features of this Jupyter notebook is interactive computing. What does it mean? Execute code in real time and see the output immediately. The second one is rich text. Combine code with rich text element like paragraph, equations, and figures. The third one is support for multiple languages. It is interesting. Although commonly used with Python, Jupyter Notebook can support over 40 programming languages, including R, Julia, and Scala. The very important key feature of Jupyter Notebook is visualization. Integrate visualization directly into your notebook. We can create graph inside it as well. Sharing and collaboration. Easily share your work with others and collaborate in real time. Jupyter is used to create interactive notebook documents that can contain live code, equation, visualization, media, and other computational outputs. Jupyter Notebook is often used by programmers, data scientists, and students to document and demonstrate coding workflow or simply experiment with code. Let's, without wasting our time, go to the installation scenario and how to install the Jupyter. Okay, first of all, you have to click on the search button, and here you have to type CMD and then press the enter key. Right after that, you will be in the command prompt. Before applying this command, you must be clear that you have installed Python and PiP is working properly. So here I am writing pip install and then writing Jupyter. Remember that Jupyter, not I, and then press enter. Whenever you are pressing enter, it will start installation. First it is collecting the data, and so let's wait for it. Now you can see that the installation is completed and we are at the command prompt. Now how to open Jupyter and write a program inside it. Dear student, I have created a folder with the name Jupyter and I open it. You can create with any name. Click here and then type CMD, and when you click on the CMD you will be here you have to write Jupyter notebook and press enter. When you are pressing the enter, you will see these few commands and automatically you will be directed to the Jupyter website. And here you can see that the Jupyter is installed. Here I have to click on the new and Python 3, and when I click on the Python 3, it means that you have opened the Jupyter notebook, and here you can write your program. For example, if I am writing A is equal to 10, press enter. This is called cell. You are writing in a single cell, and I am writing B is equal to 10 and C is equal to A plus B. Here I am writing A plus B, and now I am going to print the sum is, and I am writing the variable name, and then you have to click on this button which is for run, and you can see the sum is 30. Okay, dear student, that was the whole story about the Jupyter installation, writing a program and running a program. Thank you very much for your time. Allah Hafiz.